Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW E46, guys, this is the 3 Series from 1998 to 2006, guys, and your front power windows do not work. Both of the windows stay with us, guys. We will explain which fuse to check. We guys have more than 200 videos on E46. Our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment. Let us know if the content is helpful or if you have any recommendations. All the tools and parts, including the replacement fuses, will be listed in the description of the video below. So let us show you now where the fuse for the front windows are. Now you actually, guys, have two fuses. Okay, two, not just one, two fuses. So now we need, it doesn't matter if you have convertible, 2-door, 4-door, it will be the same way. So let us explain you now, guys. We need to go ahead, open the glove box. Okay, right here. Let's turn the light on so you can see a little bit better. Open the glove box. Okay, right here we have two things that we need to turn to the outside. And we drop the fuse box down so we can access the fuses. Now you have two rows of fuses, one here, one on the bottom. The numbers for the first one are printed on top, the bottom one, they're on the engraved, kind of like printed on the bottom right here with black, so it's hard to see. Now there are two fuses, guys, one big one, one small one, and if either of those fuses is blown, okay, your windows will not work. So the first fuse, guys, okay, that we need to check, we're going to get the fuse puller so we're ready. Okay, the first fuse we're going to check is fuse number 48. Okay, it's this 30 amp fuse. This is the main power fuse, guys. So you grab it, guys, okay, get it out and replace it with a new one. Okay, you can see, you can find in the description of the video below where we get our replacement fuses and all that stuff for a really good price, and replace this one. The other fuse, guys, okay, the other fuse is actually for the front and the rear windows because it controls the window switch. Okay, and it's that 49 fuse, the 5 amp fuse next to the 48. Okay, this is the main power fuse for the front windows. This is for all the windows because this is for the window switch. Okay, this is your window switch right here. Front, rear windows. And when you're ready, guys, okay, don't forget to install your fuse puller. Let me go ahead and make sure that everything works now. So we're going to go ahead, okay, and put the key in. Okay, let's put the key in and see if the windows work now. Yep, front windows work, and the one on this side there as well. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.